Hey friends, who's hungry? If you love Almond Joy candies as much as I do, you are going to go nuts over these Almond Joy cookies. In a medium saucepan, melt half a cup of unsalted butter and one 12-ounce bag of semi-sweet chocolate chips, stirring frequently. Once melted, set the pan aside to cool slightly. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together half a cup of flour, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then in a separate bowl, beat together 1¼ cups of brown sugar, 3 large eggs, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract on low speed until well combined. Add the cooled chocolate mixture to the eggs and blend. Then with the mixer on low, add the flour mixture slowly and mix until just combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl, then cover the dough and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. Afterwards, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Scoop out the dough about 1 tablespoon at a time and roll them into balls. Place the balls 2 inches apart on a baking sheet. Gently press an indentation into the center of each cookie with your thumb. Bake the cookies for approximately 12 minutes, then remove them from the oven. If the indentations have filled up during baking, gently press the center of each cookie back down with the back of a spoon. Then allow the cookies to cool completely. While the cookies are cooling, combine 4 cups of flaked coconut and 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk. With the mixer on low, slowly add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Spoon a dollop of the coconut mixture into the indentation on each cooled cookie. Next, mix together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of hot water, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract in a medium mixing bowl. Drizzle the icing onto the top of each cookie, then top with a toasted almond. Allow the cookies to set for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator.